Hello, our viewers, our learners, and all our dear subscribers. We are so grateful for your subscription, for you have kept us moving on, for you are supporting us. Here we are, back, English with Alan and Norbert, right on your YouTube channel, on your YouTube app. You can find us for more lessons. Today, we are going to have another lesson, and this lesson, we are going to use either. Okay class, here we are with using dash dash, either dash dash. Today's either is different from the either that you have been using or that you are common with. The either where we know about making a choice between two things and you choose one, and that either that uses or, this is not the case now. Our today's either means we shall use either in this case to mean both. In other words, we want to use either to mean both. This is what we are going to do. Secondly, or that is used with either in most of the sentences is not used, and both is replaced with either in a sentence. We shall not use or in this sentence, but we shall make sure that we remove both and replace it with either. Definitely we shall do this in the middle of the sentence. Thirdly, the noun that comes after both is affected by being changed to singular form. In our examples, we shall have nouns after both, and those nouns, they always appear in plural form. Therefore, after using either, these nouns are affected and they end up changing into singular form, like we are going to have it in our examples. Example 1. Juma can write well using both hands. Juma can write well using both hands. In this example, we have got our structure both. And you can help me to identify the noun. And the noun in this case, it is hands. When you remember our instruction 3, you will see that hands is in plural form. And this is our noun. We have got both. According to our instruction 2, we shall replace both with either. And we say, we take out both, replace it with either. According to instruction 3, the plural form of the noun that we have, which is hands, it will change to singular form, and therefore it will be hand, from hands to hand. And our answer will be, Juma can write well using either hand. Juma can write well using either hand. We have replaced both with either, and we have changed the noun after both to singular form, and it comes from hands to hand. So that is our correct answer. Example 2. They planted trees on both sides of the road. They planted trees on both sides of the road. Here, we shall apply the same method by substituting both. We replace it with either. We look at the noun after both, and the noun is sides. Automatically, by rule number 3, sides will change to singular form, and it will become side. And so our answer will be, they planted trees on either side of the road. They planted trees on either side of the road. Learners, here is our activity. We are going to use dash dash, either, dash dash to replace both in all the questions. 1. Okwi can play football using both legs. Okwi can play football using both legs. Number 2. The old man can see using both eyes. The old man can see using both eyes. And finally, in our number 3 today, Clara planted flowers on both sides of the house. Clara planted flowers on both sides of the house. Well, our viewers, this brings us to the end of our lesson. And this has been your teacher, Alan. And I'm still calling you upon to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is English with Alan and Norbert. Go to your YouTube, search for us, and kindly subscribe. You can as well contact us on these numbers for inquiries: 0758 586554 or 0785 3476 and 52. You can contact us for any inquiries and we shall be grateful. Thank you for learning and viewing our